Today I finally got my Luglife Box, the summer edition, and I know I had said after the Mother's Day box that I was not going to get any more boxes, but I caved because of the coral color and then the Aloha looking print on here. So I'm a sucker for coral, and I'm a sucker for the Aloha navy and the Aloha sand. So I was thinking maybe this box was an indication with it being coral and the lining for the Aloha navy's coral. So I thought maybe it was that print that used to be the lining for the Aloha navy. I'm hopeful that there's something coral in here. Either one of those I will be super happy with. So I went ahead and got another box. I've gotten every single one of the Luglife boxes, and I also have a playlist of every one of them if you want to see what came in some of the other boxes. But this is the Summer 2024 edition, so let's go ahead and open it up together. I have no idea what is in here, so let's go ahead and see what we got. So this box retailed for $160. I know the Mother's Day box retailed for $129, and it was a very lackluster box. So I was hoping maybe with it being a little bit more expensive, maybe there's some matte luxe in here, satin luxe, anything like that. So, but I'm really, really hoping for something in a print like this or something coral. So let's see what is in this box. Okay, so it looks like there is a $25 off your next order of $100 purchase, and then another $25 off your next order of $75, and then $50 off of $100, and then the free shipping. So it looks like you've got all of those coupons, and then some pins. So not really a fan of these. They are the Heart iCat Multi. So here are the pins. Let's just open them up. I mean, the middle one is kind of okay, but I'm just not a fan of that particular one. But I love their pins, so it seems like they're always putting pins in their boxes now. And then it does look like there is something that is in some kind of leather because it has a little pouch. So let's go ahead and open up that next. And there's looks like a big, huge bag right here, and it's very pretty, whatever it is. So this is the Twister VL in Poppy Red. I don't have the Twister, but this is nice. I love the red, so I guess red are part of the sunset, because I got the sunset box. I meant to tell you that. So they had a jungle edition or the sunset box, and I was all about the sunset. So I went ahead and got that. So this is the, what do they call this again? The Twister. I don't do a lot of wallets with lug, but this is nice. So you've got card slots, and then this opens, and I love how they do have their openings with big gussets, and then it comes with a crossbody strap, or I guess you can use this as a little lanyard, but it's got credit card slots on both sides, and then you can put some stuff in this area and use it as a lanyard. So that's nice. It's in the vegan leather, and it's in the poppy color. All right, let's go ahead and get the big thing in here and get this out of the box. And I'm gonna get it out and set it right back down. So this is the Summit 2. I don't have a Summit because it seemed like it was a big backpack for me. So I don't know. I like the Roadster a lot. It's a good size backpack, and the hatchback is one of my favorite backpacks from Leg. So this is a good size. So this may be good for traveling. Oh, it's in the brushed fabrication. So this is in the rosette pink in the brushed fabrication. See that striation? I love the brushed. I have something in the brushed merino, and it's so pretty too. So this is the Summit, and you've got the lining is the same as one of those pins. So one of those pins is the same lining, so I guess this is some kind of iCat lining. It has a key clip and a place for 2 pins. And then you've got a clear holder in this area for your driver's license. And it looks like it's got this little bit of area up here too that gives you a little bit more room if you want to put something tall. And then this first zip, I don't have a Summit, so we're just gonna do a little tour. Has an area that goes down to here. So again, traveling, oh yeah, it's got a trolley strap. So this will be good to travel and put over your rollerboard. But you can put your passports in here on your phone. So when you're going through TSA security, you can put that in there. That's neat, I like that. Does have a nice cushioned grab handle, and then water bottle pockets. I don't feel magnet, so they're not magnetic, but they do have 2 water bottle pockets, and then a double zip on this next section. And when you open it up, gosh, I don't like this lining at all, you guys, but I love the brushed color. This hot pink is so gorgeous, and this will go with my light pink rollerboard, so that'll be nice, that carry on. So it's got a zipper back here. You got a cargo pocket in the back, and then the front wall has a clear plastic zipper area, and then 2 cargo pockets in front. So it does have a lot of good organization on this front section, and there's another section. So I do like this shallow pocket in the front for passports and your phone. And then I do like that it has this little area here if you want to put something easy to grab too. And then, you know, if you're traveling, then you can just throw your keys in here and forget about them until you're traveling back. And then it's got another double zip pocket in the back. Oh, and it's padded, so good for your laptop. So I actually like the organization of this backpack. Gosh, it's kind of big though. It does have a trolley strap, which I like. Nice padded straps. And then I love that it has that plastic coating on the bottom. So if it gets dirty, you can just wipe it off real easily. So I think this will be a perfect travel bag. I'm probably not gonna use this for every day because it's really, really huge, but this is gonna be this may be one of my favorites backpacks for traveling, because this is good. I can put my laptop back there and then have a big spacious area that's separate for a lot of other things, my Kindle, things like that. Ooh, I like this, you guys. So this is a good one. And look at that beautiful color, and it's in that brushed. So this is really nice. So a good backpack. So it looks like we have 3 more little things here at the bottom. The next thing is going to be a wallet in bubble pink. So I guess we're seeing all the colors of the sunset, from light pink to a dark pink and then a red color. So Whirly in the bubble pink. Again, I don't know much about the wallets because I just don't get their wallets, but I love that it has this wristlet strap. Bubble pink is such a pretty color. This is a nice size wallet. So you've got your clear pocket, some credit card slots, more credit card slots, a place for bills right here. And then behind that, you have a zipper pocket and then 2 little accordion style pockets. So that's nice. And you've got an additional one on the back. And their gussets are so good, so you're not having to worry about your hands just getting tight in there. So this is the Whirly in the bubble pink. Look how the bubble pink and this rosette pink in the brushed fabrication looks so good together. And then another thing in the bag is a metal strap in poppy red. So I like these metal straps, you guys. Makes it look so nice. And so this is in the poppy red. So I guess you could put it on this if you wanted the metal strap, but it also comes with its own little strap too. But I like this. I can put this on some of my other ones. I'm trying to think. I could put this on my black coupe. I love this metal strap. It's got that vegan leather that goes throughout and that poppy red. So this is nice too. And then the last thing is the 2-piece heart pouch in papaya, and I'm not sure what this other one is. I'm not sure the name of this other one. It says CELE cream, so maybe celestial cream. I'm not sure. I do not know the color of that one, but I guess this is where we're getting the coral color that's on the box, but really pretty. So again, another color of the sunset. The inside of this one is just the papaya color, and I guess the inside of this one's going to be this, yeah, that print right there. So these are your 2 heart pouches, and that is all that's in the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this box. So I'm not sure how much the original Summit was, regular price, but I think that's a really great bag. I love that brush rosette pink color. That is such a pretty color. I love the brush fabrication, and that is gonna be a great travel bag. I have an upcoming trip. It's a 2-week trip that's coming up in the next few weeks, and so I think I'm gonna take that with me when I travel. I think that'll be a really good bag to put everything that I need in that. And then this is a pretty color. I love bubble pink, and I think this is a really nice wallet. It's got enough space for credit cards, and then you can throw some things in here that you might need. And I like that it does have that little wristlet strap, so you can just get it out of a bigger bag if you want to just carry this in if you're going to the store or something. The heart pouches I can do without. I don't ever buy those. I just get them whenever they're like with a bag or something like that. The metal strap I actually like. I can put that on some of my smaller bags and make it really fancy looking. And then the other little wallet, the lanyard wallet, that's nice too. So this box was $160, and like I said, I don't know how much the Summit is regular price, but I think it's a really great bag. I'm really excited about that bag. So for $160, you're getting a big backpack that's good for traveling, and a full-size wallet, this smaller wallet, 2 heart pouches, a metal strap, and pins. It seems like pins always come in the boxes. So I mean, I think this was a pretty good box. There's nothing that I'm unhappy with. And now I'm gonna have to go back and see what the jungle was. So I'm not sure. I guess the sunset was more the colors. It does look like a lot of the colors that you would see in a sunset. I'm not sure what the jungle theme would be, so curious to see that. But the box really just didn't give it away again this time. For the coral, literally what I was thinking that we were gonna get, and why I was really excited to pick this one up, is because I love the Aloha Navy and the Aloha Sand prints. Those are one of the few prints that I do like, and I love the lining, that coral lining that is inside the Aloha Navy. So I was thinking that it might be that in a print, and that got me really excited, thinking they may have done something in that print. But that's not the case, but still, I think this is a really good box, and it's got your coupons that you're used to seeing in the box. They seem to follow the same pattern where they do a really bad box, like the Mother's Day box, and then they redeem themselves with a good box. I think the best box that I've ever bought from Lug was the summer 2021 or 2. I can't remember which one that was. It was the one that had the little clear bag for a beach bag. That's the one that I think has been my favorite one so far. But this one's a really good one. The Valentine's Day one was good. So it's like they had a good Valentine's Day one. The Mother's Day just was lackluster. And then they've had this good summer box. So let me know down in the comments below. Did you pick this up? Did you pick up the sunset or did you pick up the jungle? And are you happy with it, you guys? Because I'm pretty happy with this one. I'm really excited about taking that on my next trip to see the summit, how it's going to pack up for a good personal item on the plane. So we'll see how that goes. But I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.